Feet there, so it's easy to pedal because you use your feet to pedal.
What? That's a little steer.
No, it's not steering. It's just foot stops.
Oh.
Strans
So if you try to
vidjaka.
paddle a kayak without any foot stops, you move your butt.
Yeah. You slide around.
Shkotas mozi me chan mata. Banana boat.
Banana boat.
Man, it's getting hot.
Yo, hook up some fishing poles in there. Some bait. Let's go. We got about an hour, or better yet, maybe 2.
Silly night Tifa. She's like scared, disgusted, confused.
Ow. We have to pay them?
No. They're gonna run into the wall. They're gonna... Negative. Shot love Connor.
The earliest, look how much you're paddle.
You guys do something funny. I don't know.
Say, you got the power to